Oh, you probably can't see these. These are all camcorders, and today I'm going to see how these work. First, we're going to start with this big one. This is a Sony Handycam Video 8. And it takes 8mm video cassettes. How it works is by pressing an eject button to reveal the VCR inside. Kodak. Then you insert the tape. And there's two options you can have it on. If you can see it. Down here, I believe, is player. Oh, that's not it. Player. And then up here is camera. Middle is off. And how player worked is you put this right here, and then you would press play on the video. Now, obviously, I'm not going to press play right now because, you know, I don't want to reveal my family secrets. That would be shitty. So, that's this big boy. Say goodbye to the big boy and say hello to the small boy. This is a Sony Handycam DCR HC28, and it takes even smaller video cassettes. For example, I have the VHS right here. This is a Titanic VHS compared to this guy. Look at that. Anyways, how you would put it in is you'd open this up. You open it up for you, put it in the way that the VCR tells you to put it in. Close it. And you push down. And now, sadly, this unit is broken. Well, the touchscreen is. Because, like, look, open. But you would view it right on here. See, look, I'll tell you. Touchscreen is broken. RIP. So this is why I'm using that big camcorder. So we all love those. It's very consistent. I like it. But now we're going to move on to a different camcorder from Sony. Still a Handycam. And this is a Sony Handycam DCR SR42. But instead of taking cassettes, it takes flash memory. Find 32 gigabytes of it on Amazon for like 14 bucks, I think. And you would record video onto the hard disk drive on here and pictures onto here. And to be able to play back your videos, you would hit home. You go to over here. And then you would hit, I'm pretty sure, visual index. It will show all of your videos. Isn't that cool? I'll show you the most recent one I recorded. Ugh. Wait, where is it? Oh, I'm on the very first page. On the very first page, ladies and gentlemen. To be honest, W videos right there. So that's all of the camcorders I have. Let's take a closer look at the way they would store video. Right here is one of those cassette tapes. The mini DV cassette tape. At first I thought this was Betamax. It is not. It is an actual mini DV tape. I don't know why I thought it was Betamax, because, you know, it is way too small to be Betamax, but yeah. It was a different time. Next, 8mm video cassettes. basically VHS, just smaller. And now time to end the video with a